Hello traders, how are you? Vladimir here from Traders Academy Club and welcome to the weekly Forex Forecast. Today we are preparing for the first trading week of November 2022 and it is a bit hard to believe, at least to me, that it's already November. I mean, I still remember how the year started and here we are already knocking the door on the end of the year. Well, I wish you a wonderful trading month ahead, and I believe that the two opportunities I'm about to share with you in this video could make things interesting for the start of the month. These two opportunities I will be sharing here will be the silver and the dollar CAD. So with that being said, let's go to the charts and see the amazing trading opportunities the market has for us. But before I go and explain all the technical terms, what and how I anticipate the charts to behave and where do I believe the trading opportunities would build up, I would like to welcome you if you are new to the channel. So welcome to our trading community. Please subscribe to the channel with the subscribe button below the video, and also below this video in the description you can find the direct links to download my indicators that you can see on the charts, the KTLI, the key trading levels indicator, multi-level control on the ease of the chart, so you can control from here everything you want. You can see all the levels you want. If you are on the lower time frame, you want to see the higher time frames. Everything here is absolutely simple and user friendly. It is based on key trading levels of the volume profile. So besides that, you would find there also my virtual trading pen, the indicators I draw with on my screen, and many of the indicators, as I said, are available also in a free version. So just follow the links below this video in the description. And now let's see what do we have here. Let's start with silver. So silver bounces off a beautiful supportive area of the weekly time frame. Okay, all that happens after we got here several lower highs, lower lows, and which finally came to the slowdown conditions, as we can see here. Bullish divergence on the MACD histogram, higher lows on the MACD histogram versus lower lows on the indicator, and RSI also making the higher lows versus lower lows on the chart, on the price, which by itself hints for a possible corrective movement, which I believe is exactly what happens right now. So at the bottom of this move down, we see also a false breakout. You can see here a fake low, a fake attempt to create the bearish continuation, blocked by bullish divergence on the moving average of the MACD. Okay, then another false breakout, which brings by itself a possibility of a range, right? False break on the bottom, lack of seller's control. False break on the top, lack of buyer's control, right? So this builds up as a potential range. And with that being said, the price can simply, let's put the upper band of the range here, okay, and the bottom range here, the bottom borders or price range. And with that being said, the price can dance here for a while or attempt to break through and reach. Here is a very important thing, since this is a completed daily cycle, we could see the price trying to reach all the way to the 50% of the cycle Fibonacci retrace. And also it will fit here with these swing highs, which behave as a classical supply area. So from my point of view, the momentum is still bullish, okay, with these targets in mind. And on the 4-hour chart, we can see also that the, oops, sorry, chose the wrong button. On the 4-hour chart, we can see clear waves of higher highs, higher lows pointing upside, indicating uptrend, a bullish trend. So, of course, I should connect to here because this is the high. Okay, and that means that the momentum is bullish on both the weekly bounce of a key level, daily with the bullish divergence and the corrective cycle, and the 4-hour chart waves that still fit in here. And as you can see, there are no ending conditions, no bearish divergence, no higher highs on the chart versus lower highs on the indicators. Nowhere, not the MACD, not the RSI. So from my point of view, that's a strong sign for a possible continuation. And we have several key levels here to pay attention to. First supportive zone and the next supportive area here are the two main levels where I would be looking for the price to bounce towards, or at least come close to. Okay, and from there looking for this continuation upside. As long as the price manages to hold below the volume and these key lows here at this place, I think that the momentum upside is here to stay, and buy the dips is my plan here. Let me know what do you think about the silver? How do you anticipate the price to behave? What would you expect from this current bullish momentum and the current price structure? If you are bullish, which levels do you believe silver can take us to? So make sure you share your inputs in the comment section below this video. And also I would like to ask your help. If you find this video useful, helpful, educational, then please hit the like button below this video. Few words in the comment section as a feedback would be super appreciated. This is how YouTube algorithm works. So thank you very much in advance, of course, to everyone who takes the opportunity to help. And also I would like to take the moment and to invite you to join a very great project we start right now on November 2022 together with ActivTrades and our special trading group we are building up. So you can join the group by following the link below this video. In the description, you can find a link that will lead you to Active. Join the broker and join this amazing project. And I'm looking forward to see you with us. So the next one would be the dollar CAD. This would be our next opportunity, the dollar CAD. And here is a very interesting happening with the dollar CAD. So as you can see, we bounce off a very strong, as you can see here, consolidation area. Okay? A lot of supply here. The price bounces directly from there without showing that the conditions are really over. Now, we can argue about, is it over or not? Is it just a correction before continuation? That's not what matters here, because I think we are still on this ongoing corrective lag. And we have several important rising, as you can see here, supportive lines yet to be retested. I don't know which of the lines the market would decide to go into test, the first, the closest one, the bigger one, or the biggest one of this rally. But even if we take a look on the levels right now, you can see where the first supportive area is. Now look for the second supportive area. It's here. We have the volume, the rising supportive line, all is waiting us right there. And the interesting part, look where this cross of the 50 and 200 moving average could be. Exactly in the same place, which makes me think we are still bearish here towards this zone And this is based on the weekly price analysis. And that's why I go to the daily chart, and here is what I see on the daily chart. We had a beautiful cycle here that comes to the end with a bearish divergence. Okay, higher highs on the chart versus lower highs on the moving averages of the MACD, the RSI, the histogram, and the RSI as well. Lower highs, they all show lower highs versus higher highs on the chart. And now I believe we are building here the ABCD correction. And the reason I think it's still ongoing is if I connect this high and I go to the lower time frame, here is what you will see. That the first red leg, which is the daily leg, right? Starting from here, is, and I go blue to draw it, okay, is 4-hour chart structure. 3 lower highs, lower lows with ABCD correction. And I think that we are about to build something like that here. So for me, it's still bearish, and I expect to see one more drop down after the very possible pullback. So we can see something like that here, and continuation downside. The first target zones for this movement would be the 50% Fibonacci of the daily right here. Let's put the level, and you will see that how amazingly it starts to fit together. This is the first target, and the next one is the 61.8 Fibonacci, which fits, guess where? Which fits on the supportive area and on the moving averages cross we just talked before. So that's why I believe dollar CAD is still bearish, and for me, sell the rallies is the plan here. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you find it useful, and I hope you enjoy the opportunities. Let me know, what do you think about these trading opportunities on the section below this video, in the comment section below this video. And also I would like to thank you for taking the time watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I would like to wish you a wonderful trading week and trading months ahead, a very successful one. And I would like to take the opportunity and to invite you to join us in our trading family and enjoy the best things we have to offer you, as you can see on this very image. So to join us, just follow the link below this video in the description. And once again, thank you for your time watching this video. I wish you and yours all the very best, and I'll see you soon with more. Bye for now, and happy trading.